How do you get to work? Some people will walk, other people will take the bus or use transit. Some people drive a car, but then you've got parking involved. Me, I like to ride my bike. But with a 90-minute trip each way and hills all along the way, that can be a little tough. That's why I like the alternatives, like electric bikes. So that's why today we're looking at the Surface 604 Element. It's a fat tire bike that's built for all kinds of conditions, but the real unique thing here is the electric motor. The electric motor can go up to 32 kilometers an hour. That's actually important because it's just under the speed where you need a license to drive the bike. It'll go for up to 35 kilometers as well with a charge on this big old battery. The lithium-ion battery will last for up to 35 kilometers, which is great for getting you around. It'll charge in about 8 hours, so you can actually charge it right on the bike, or you can unlock it from the frame and take it with you. It just pulls right off. There's a light on the back that will help you signal other riders on the road, and it's handy for carrying things right on top. Up top, we've got the throttle. Twist it and go. And the controls, which will tell you how much battery life you've got left, how fast you're going, and which speed you're in. There are 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. You can really feel the bite when you're in high mode. So if you're at the lights, you can actually kick off relatively quickly and you get going pretty fast. Down here, we've got something that makes the Surface 604 Element fairly unique, and that's the 4-inch fat tire. You can actually see with the tread pattern here that it's built for things like snow and sand. The bike is actually built to do all sorts of terrain, so if you want to take it on the road and use it as a commuter, you can, but if you want to go adventuring with it, it's built for it. For the cyclists out there, you'll be pleased to know that it's got all of the standard bike bits. You've got a 7-speed Shimano gear set, disc brakes, a lovely, comfortable Velo plush seat, and of course, my favorite, bottle holder. For me personally, I've been using the Surface 604 Element for a couple of weeks now, and I've got to say it's a smooth ride. I've managed to get from work and back in a relatively quick amount of time. It's cutting my 90-minute commute down to about 45 minutes. Every day, if you hit a hill, give it a little bit of a push, you're ready to go. So, from GetConnected, we like the Surface 604 Element. The only disappointing thing that I find, I've got to give it back.